Trade shows are a great way for businesses to showcase their products and services to new audiences. We're going to show you how effective marketing materials can help you stand out and earn more money at trade shows, all while sticking to a budget. Let's consider the case of a startup that specialises in luxury wedding cakes and wishes to create a strong presence at a trade show. With the help of TradePrint's custom printed products, the startup can effectively showcase its services while keeping costs down. A small show stand can range from £200 all the way up to nearly £1,000. Let's go for a good sized one and set the price at £500. To make a big impact, a roller banner is an excellent investment. These banners are portable, eye-catching, and can be purchased from as little as £34.08. Similar to roller banners, a totem stand is a creative and fun tool to grab the attention of passers-by. Our favourite is the stacking totem, which can be used multiple times and can cost from as little as £35.40. A folded leaflet is an excellent way to showcase your previous work and provide customers with information about your business. By ordering these in bulk, you can use them at multiple trade shows and events. 250 folded laminated leaflets can be ordered from as little as £95.18. Business cards are powerful marketing tools that can be handed out to potential customers. Multi-use products are great because they allow you to save money and get more out of your investment. These cards are perfect for giveaways and can be used outside of your trade show in your daily business life. You can purchase 500 business cards from as little as £28.33. Giveaways are essential at trade shows as they help you spread out your branding and make you more memorable. Printed paper bags are cheap, customizable and perfect for giveaways, and you can get 250 of these bags from as little as £166.82. Writing pens are also great as they are small, people use them every day and make for the perfect little item for customers to take home with them. 250 pens can be purchased for £105.84, which works out to be just over 40 pence per unit. DL flyers can be used to create gift vouchers for your customers. These vouchers are perfect for customers who want to gift them to people they may know and entice them back to your brand, thereby helping you make more sales. 100 DL flyers can be printed for as little as £22.31. Lastly, custom printed hoodies and t-shirts can make your brand stand out from the crowd. Exhibitors can wear these at your stall and can also be worn again at other events, thus allowing you to get more out of your investment. A hoodie can cost from £23.38, while a custom printed t-shirt can cost from £13. So, let's break it down. Your marketing materials come to a total of £523.84. Including your £500 stand fee, this will add up to a total investment of £1,023.84. Now, let's say that during the trade show, you were able to acquire 20 orders for your cake services, priced at around £300 each. That results in a massive total of £6,000. If you subtract the cost of your marketing materials, this leaves you with £4,976.16. You'll have nearly £5,000 in net sales. So when you plan your next stand, you can benefit from the fact that you already have all the marketing materials you need. This means you won't have to spend as much money as before and you'll be able to use the materials again in the future. By making this initial investment in marketing materials, you'll be able to make your stall stand out and attract more customers. So why not take advantage of the resources you already have and make your next trade show a success?